All right, so the new duplexes, and this is just because the subscribers have been asking for it. This is how they're going out. So we got sump viewers for you guys. You don't have to take the lid on and off. You can see what's going on. That's cool. I like that. You know, we're just making 25-foot cords standard. It seems like everybody needs it. And, you know, we got a discharge end on this pump, two hookups, discharge. Doesn't matter where this stub comes out. A lot of people are misled and they think, oh, I need it over here because I'm running it this way. No, you don't, because you just buy the PVC Schedule 40 that's coiled. It literally just sweeps any direction you want it. So these things are bigger, better than they've ever been. So they're 40 inches tall and we're 5.5 feet approximately on the chamber. This has to be shipped with pallet orders for sure. It's a big bad boy.